Hello Moncescans, this is your Mama Mo bringing you another edition of What Mama Mo Says. So what is Mama Mo saying these days? Whip it! Whip it good! This is one of the kitchen sayings that caught my attention. I know way back in the 80s, and I'm dating myself. This was a song by a group called Devo, and I never imagined it would end up being a kitchen saying. So what is my interpretation of this in the kitchen? And in day-to-day life? To whip something in baking means to beat the ingredient using a whisk or a beater to transform its consistency. Oftentimes, cream or egg whites are whipped vigorously until you achieve stiff peaks. And if you don't do this step correctly, the end product may be a failure. And if you've seen some of my past videos, like making macarons or the sando sandwiches, there is a step there that includes whipping the cream or the egg whites just to make sure that everything turns out correctly. And I know I always say it takes patience and practice to make these things a success. Hard work and dedication, even in the kitchen, can turn into beautiful masterpieces, something that you can truly be proud of. In whatever you do, do your best. My schooling at an early age was based on personalized education, where I learned to aim high. Let me tell you a secret. When I was in grade 2, I received a red mark in reading. Oh my! I was horrified, I think, at that age. And because of this, I studied and really worked hard just to make a great improvement in myself. And after this, I became an honor student, and that felt really good. So lesson learned, study hard and you will be rewarded. So my mga anak, when you step out into the world as young adults, make the effort to do your best. I know we all have to start somewhere and learn new things. Even now, at my age, I have to learn a new job. So learning never ends, but at every stage of the way, make sure you put in your best effort. Am I being too much of a perfectionist? I don't know, but I do find personal joy in giving 100% in everything that I do, be it simple housework or helping a client at work. The way you do your job is your signature. It's what you are going to be known for. Nothing can replace the satisfaction of knowing that your accomplishment is the fruit of all your hard work. So be patient, learn, practice, crack that whip at yourself. And most importantly, whip it. Whip it good. Remember to subscribe so you can catch my coming Christmas series next month.